Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. Today we will see how well you know English tenses. We will ask questions, give examples, and explain answers simply so you can test yourself with confidence.
I will guide you through a short quiz, explain common mistakes, and give tips to remember the tenses. Ready? Let's start with easy present tense questions.
Question 1. Fill in the blank. She, go, to school every day. Which tense is correct for habits? Think of the form with S for he, she, it.
Correct answer. Goes. Present. Simple describes habits and routines. Use signal words like always, usually, and every day to choose this tense.
Question 2. They watch a movie right now. Which tense shows an action in progress at this moment?
Answer. Are watching. Present continuous is used for actions happening now, often with words like now or at the moment.
Question 3. I eat breakfast yesterday morning. Which tense for finished past time?
Answer. 8. Past simple is used for actions completed at a specific past time, such as yesterday, last week, or in 2019.
Question 4. She finish her homework just now. Which tense with recent actions that affect the present?
Answer. Has finished. Present perfect is used for recent results and experiences. Words like just, already, and yet often appear with this tense.
Now, a mixed question. Which sentence is correct? I have seen that movie yesterday. Or, I saw that movie yesterday. Why?
Correct. I saw that movie yesterday. Present perfect should not be used with finished time expressions like yesterday. Past simple is the right choice.
Let's try a continuous versus simple contrast. Choose the best tense for I usually read before bed and I read a book right now.
Answers. Usually read is present simple, showing a habit. Am reading is present continuous, showing an action happening at the moment.
Past continuous practice. Fill in. They play football when the rain started. Which tense shows background action interrupted by another event?
Answer. Were playing. Past continuous sets the scene, and past simple tells the interrupting action.
Perfect tenses. How would you say that someone began work in 2015 and still works here now? Use since or for.
Say, they have worked here since 2015. Present perfect shows an action that started in the past and continues now. Use since with a point in time, for with a duration.
Past perfect focus. Which sentence is correct to show one past action before another? By the time I arrived, they leave.
Answer. Had left. Past perfect shows the earlier past action before another past event.
Future tenses. Choose for plans and for actions in progress at a future time, which is correct. I call you tomorrow, and at 9 p.m., I call you.
For a simple future decision, I will call you tomorrow. For an action in progress at a future time, I will be calling you at 9 p.m. Use future continuous for ongoing future actions.
Quick correction round. Fix these mistakes. She don't like coffee. He didn't went to school.
Corrections. She doesn't like coffee. He didn't go to school. Remember, auxiliary verbs control the verb form.
One more common trap, which is correct when keys are still missing. I lost my keys, or I have lost my keys.
Say, I have lost my keys, if they are still missing now. Use present perfect to show a past action with a present result.
Final mini quiz. Fill in blanks. 1. By next month, I finish this course. 2. Right now, she study. 3. They live here since 2010.
Answers. 1. Will have finished. Future perfect. 2. Is studying. Present continuous. 3. Have lived. Present perfect.
Simple memory tips. Look for time words. If you see yesterday or last year, think past simple. If you see since or for, think present perfect. If you see now, often use continuous.
Practice tip. Make 3 short sentences about your day using different tenses. Check signal words and the meaning. Fact, duration, completion, or action in progress.
So, what have we learned in this video? We tested present, past, and future tenses with examples, corrected common errors, and shared simple tips to choose the right tense.
We also practiced continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms and learned to watch for signal words. Keep practicing and your tense choices will become natural.
Remember, match the tense to meaning, not just the verb form.
Check your answers out loud to improve fluency and confidence now.